In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to draw a simple office building such as the one here. To start drawing, you need to first create a horizon line. So usually that is somewhere towards the middle of the paper. So I'm just going to draw a horizon line. Wherever the horizon line or the eye level line hits the end of the paper, that is where your two vanishing points are for two-point perspective. Next, I need to start by drawing the corner that is closest to me for the office building. So the corner that's going to be closest to me will be right here. And I've decided to make my office so that we are looking straight at it. We are on the eye level line, so it will look something like this. If I wanted it below the eye level line, I would start this corner below the eye level line, but I would always start with this closest corner. If I wanted it above my eye level line, I would start with this corner above the eye level line. Now that I have my drawing crossing the eye level line, I need to start by drawing the lines that go to the vanishing point. So I'm going to start by drawing this line, which will designate the left side of my building. And I can draw it however far I want to, as long as it points to that vanishing point. I will draw the other line that points to the vanishing point. Like that. Then I decided I wanted to stop them right here, so I'm going to make a line. This line needs to be parallel to the side of the paper. It needs to go straight up and down. Remember the two rules. So there's the left side of my office building. Now I need to do the right side of my office building. So I'm going to go on the bottom of the right side of this building. And it's pointing directly to the right vanishing point. And then I'm going to draw the top using a ruler pointing to the right vanishing point once again. And I need to decide where this wall will end on my building, and I will end it by drawing a line that goes straight up and down parallel with the side of the paper. So at this point, here is where I am at with my office building. I have the left side and the right side. Now I'm going to add some windows and a door. In order to add a door, I need to decide which wall I'm going to be on. I'm going to put mine on the right side of the office building. I'm going to start by drawing the corner of the door that is closest to me. So I will start right here, and this line needs to go straight up and down, parallel with the side of the paper. And this horizontal line needs to point towards the vanishing point. So I will stop my door right about there. Then I need to end it with a line that is also parallel or straight up and down with the side of the paper. There's my door. Next, I'm going to make a row of windows. And for that, I'm going to make it on the right side of this building, on the right wall. Remember, everything on the right side goes to the right vanishing point. So I'm going to figure out the side of the windows that is closest to me, which would be right here. I'll make a line that is straight up and down, parallel to the side of the paper. And then I'm going to start by making the bottom of the windows that point to that vanishing point, the right vanishing point, and the top of the windows that also point to that vanishing point. And then I need to end my windows by making a line that is straight up and down, parallel with the side of the paper. If I want to make multiple windows, I just need to draw lines that are parallel to the side of the paper, straight up and down. I'll make another row of windows over here. This time it's on the left side of the building, so it's going to go to the left vanishing point. So I'll start with the corner or the side of the window that is closest to me, and I'm making that parallel to the the side of the paper. I'm going to make the bottom for this row of windows, because it's on the left side or the left wall, all of the windows, that line points to the left vanishing point. I need to decide where I'm going to end it. I will end it with a line that goes straight up and down parallel with the side of the paper. If I want to break up the number of windows, I can just make another line right here. That again is parallel to the side of the paper. And I have just made my first office building. If I were to erase all these extra lines, it would look something like that.